Hi, I'm Lisa Babineau from Twice as Nice, and I help you dress on your mood, shape, and intentions for less. This is Sherry from Twice as Nice. Here she is in my closet today, and she's gonna share some more tips and tricks to organize your closet at home.
So when I'm invited into people's home, I can feel the overwhelming sensation that they feel having me into their closet. They're a little embarrassed, they're a little shy, they're apologizing, and all I can say is, stop, that's what I'm here for. I truly feel by the time I leave at the end of the day, I've lifted such a weight off of their shoulders.
They feel content, and when she goes back to do the touch-up in the 3 weeks to a month, she sees such an improvement.
For me, every closet is unique to the person. So just like we're all unique, so are our closets. My closet is much different than Lisa's, so I'm gonna come in with Lisa and show her how she can maximize her closet for her day. Behind me here we have 6 pairs of shoes, and I feel like if we were to turn one shoe on every pair around like so, you can essentially fit in another pair, which is maximizing our space, which is perfect. So that's one little trick that might help you with your closet. Another one is Lisa has her denim folded here, and I love the idea of folding denim because denim these days is supposed to be distressed. So little creases in your denim is not the end of the world. I like that Lisa has her denim folded and stored right here for accessibility. What I would personally do is go from dark wash all the way to light wash, and I'd start at the bottom and work my way up with wash. So the white would essentially be on the very top of this row, the dark or the black would be on the very bottom of this row. Over here, Lisa has long sleeves, jackets, plaids, some really cool pieces like this one here. What I would do is put all grays together, blues together. This plaid here can join these plaids here. Lisa's shirt is inside out. Seasonally, I hang my stuff inside out so that come the next season, we don't have the dust marks on the back of our clothes in the hanger mark here. So I'm not even picking on that. I'm actually gonna leave it like that. And when I'm done today, they're all gonna be inside out. Plaid should be together, patterns together. This shirt here and this shirt here go together nicely because if she feels like black, her eye is gonna go to black. So she can say, do I feel like sequins or do I feel like lace? And then she's gonna go from there. First hand, I'm just gonna open Lisa's jewelry drawer. It's pretty well organized. It's okay, I'm not picking on you. Stop, stop. If it were me, you know, there's an earring here and there's an earring over here. And I don't know where the match for this one is, but I know where the match for this one is. So again, she wants to wear these earrings today because they go so great with the shirt over here that she's already picked for the day. So if you were to get yourself a little jewelry hanger, you can see how this would be such a better solution for shepherd's hook earrings. They also have earring holders that you can put studs on. 2-piece earrings like this you can find earring holders for. Necklaces are great. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's
Well, you know.
Well, no, it's good. It's good that we're here and we're doing this right now.
Yes.
Okay, so but you can see what we're talking about. I mean, how is she ever going to really? Lisa, I love you.
Notice I haven't worn necklaces lately.
So just saying. Needs a little love. That's what I can come in and help you do. No one wants to deal with this. That's where I come in. This drawer here, the belt just kind of in there. Belts are great when you can either hang them on a hook or when you want to roll them and maximize space, always roll them so that the buckle is towards the outside. So you can see the buckle versus you were to do it the reverse way. You know, that's not as attractive. Please remember to like our Facebook page and subscribe to us on YouTube.
If you want to find a way to make your day easier and work well with Sherry and myself, we work as a team together. Book with us. We have huge summer specials and beginning of fall specials. I look forward to hearing from you very soon.
I'm Sherry with Twice as Nice, your closet specialist, and remember, it doesn't have to be new to be awesome. All right.
You can stop now. It's good.
I love you.
I love you too.